Hey, you already know it's Zay. Welcome back to my channel. Look crazy. Your girl is in school out of town, so we don't got nail, hair, lash techs out there in southwestern Ontario, okay? This week I'm just gonna be taking you guys with me while I do my maintenance. I actually have a partnership with a brand and you guys will be hearing about that later in this video, so stay tuned. Right now, today I'm gonna be doing my hair, as you guys can see. That's why it's looking like this. I'm about to go do my knotless braids with my favorite braider, Dijon hair. If you don't know now, you know, who always gets me right. So yeah, come with me as I do my maintenance for the week. See you guys just now. So, yes, we're about to get started.
Good content for you?
Yes.
Hey! I'm so excited.
Hey guys, good morning. We have a package. So this is a partnership with Nail Reserve. They're a vegan nail brand. So they sent me some products. I'm here at my nail tech. We're gonna use these products and do what I do. We're gonna do something really creative. And I left it all up to Cass to bring the vision to life. So I'm really excited. She's really excited. So let's get into it.
It's perfect. I like how it shows the color at the top.
Yeah. Cute packaging.
Oh, it comes with the top. They gave us a top coat too. Perfect.
So we're gonna have some fall fun. You guys seen outside, it's giving very much fall. So we got some browns, some nudes, some whites. Okay guys, good morning. So you see yesterday, right? I was wearing a short sleeve, right? I had a jacket in the car, it's okay. I was really denying that it was cold outside. Like, I was like not accepting that it's fall. Like, I love fall, but back where I'm coming from, like my school region, it is hot, it's summer. So I'm here trying to like leave my house in cute little light tracksuits and no baby, I had to go and change this morning. It is cold, it is wet, it is disgusting. Like, that definitely woke my ass up. If I was tired, I'm not tired anymore. So we're gonna go do my lashes. My favorite lash tech. It's been like a month or two, so you guys will see. I usually get, I don't know what I'm gonna get. I've got spikes before, but we'll see, we'll see, we'll see. She always gets me right. See you just now. Hey Rose. Hi baby. How are you?
So we're just washing her lashes before this prep. Gotta prep the eyes before we start, always.
Actually love them.
Right?
No more bare face. So these are my lashes. I love them as always. I actually really love when they start out like this and then when they get more and more wispy as the time goes on. Like I love both looks. So yeah, I think I might be going to the mall, but if not, that is all. See you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye. So we are here at the very notorious SEC. I plan to go into Zara. I plan to go into H&M. And I kind of want some fall boots or something, but we'll see. We'll see what I get. So I will take you guys with me. Yep. And I changed from this morning because I went home and I took it out. So H&M is coming with the fall vibes, but I noticed their prices have changed drastically. I found this really cute red purple knit sweater and it's on sale for, I tried it on, it fits, so that's all I'm getting. Nothing else in here is giving, like, take my card. Thank you. Mommy, how are we rating the store? Today, it was, yeah, it wasn't that great.
It's just nothing new. It's always the same stuff.
H&M, you gotta step it up, because Zara is out here changing their things like every season, every week. Line before? Yes. Are you? Mommy. Yeah, this issue. Okay, so today we have this green dress with these cut sides, see-through top, these, I don't even know what to call them. I don't know why I got them. And honestly, these I know I'm not gonna get, but I see these types of shoes online and I wonder how they look on my feet. So I'm gonna try them on for trying on sake to know like how I like the fit. So yeah. Okay, I actually like these types of heels on me. Okay guys, I tried these on. Sorry, didn't show it because it was embarrassing. And this, let's be real, I'm not paying $50 for. It's a simple dress you can get on Shein. So, it looks like I'm not getting anything if that mesh top is not giving. Zara was a no-go for me today. I came with specific things in mind and they didn't deliver for me, so yeah, that's it. last purple.
Thank you.